Hi everyone, I am Siddharth. I am doing my BCA in Sambram College, and today we are going to see about C language. C language is a programming language, or else it's a coding language. It has been developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Before we are seeing about programming, what is software? Software is a collection of programs which has been used to create a software. A collections of programs or lines of code is called software. So to develop a software, we use a basic programming language called C language. In C language, we follow the structure. We follow the structure or a pattern to develop a program. In that structure, we have documentation section, preprocessor section, definition section, global declaration section, main section, and inside the main we have declaration and execution part. First, what is documentation section? In C programming, before we develop a program, we'll give a name for a program, and that we'll write in a comment line. For that we use documentation section. And what is preprocessor section? Instead of preprocessor section, we call it as a header file. Header file means in C programming, each and every statement or a function has some inbuilt functions. Those inbuilt function will be developed and built into a file, that is called preprocessor section. This preprocessor section will start with #include. And for example, stdio.h. What is stdio.h? stdio.h means standard input output header file, which means all the input and output operations functions will be stored in this header file. And coming to definition section. Definition section means for certain constants we use this section. Like for example, pi has a value like constant value like 3.1434 like. So to define this constant, we use definition section. Next, what is global declaration section? Global declaration section means we will initialize or declare a variables with the values which has been used throughout the programs. Throughout the program means if we declare in the global declaration section, that variable or the value which has been assigned to the variable will be used throughout the programs for main function as well as the sub functions. And coming to main function, in C programming, each and every program has minimum one function, that is called main function. Without a main function, the program cannot be developed, compiled or executed. And inside the main functions, we declare the local variables as well as execution statements. What is local declaration statement? Local declaration statements means it is same as the global declaration section, but the variables which has been initialized will be used only inside the main functions, but it cannot be executed or used for other sub functions. And what is execution part? Execution part means it is all about the input statement, output statement, and other execution statements. And these main functions will be enclosed between this is all about the C language. Thank you.